This is moisture analyzer, and it will comes with a 100 grams weight, pan stand, and two SS pan holders, and one pan holder, two SS pans, and one touch pen. First, keep this holder in this. It will rotate, no issue. And this pan is there, and here is like this, and we can directly. That's it. Okay. Backside power on switch will be there. After pouring on, it will have an option: time heating, auto heating, latest record, history record, off, cal. If you press off, it will shut down. Instrument capacity is 100 grams, resolution is 0.001 gram, accuracy 0.01 gram. Time heating option, like you can keep the set temperature like 100 degrees or 110 degrees or 105 as per the user selection. Whatever the user is required, the temperature we need to enter it, and time we need to manually enter in the time setting, heating time. So 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes or whatever your desired temperature time that you need to enter over here. In auto heating mode, we don't need to enter the time, heating temperature we need to enter. Time automatically it will select, and whenever there is no weighing difference is not there, then it will stops the heating, and it will give you the moisture percentage. In the history record, you can see the previous records. The history record will comes like this. For calibration, press cal, and clock cal, like a date and time setting calculation. So 2020 12:30. If you want to edit anything, just press clock cal, then year, month, date, and time. So in cal, if you want to weigh calibration, press weigh cal, and it will ask you for load the. For weighing calibration, press cal and weight cal. It will ask you to load the weight of 100 grams. 100 grams weighing standard is coming along with the instrument. Load the weight. It will go for the calibration. After calibration, it will ask you to remove the weight. After completion of calibration, instrument will comes directly into the main menu mode. This is halogen lamp, and this is temperature sensor. To run a sample, I am choosing auto heating option. Minimum 1 gram sample we need to take it. If you take less sample, it will show here sample less. So for suppose if I take 0.8 grams, if I press heating start, it will ask you to show you sample less. So minimum 1 gram we need to load the weight. So after taking the sample, just spread it for uniformity. And close the lid. Whenever this is a stable symbol, whenever this stable symbol is came, press heating start. Now heating temperature is required 106 degrees. End mode is auto. Current temperature is 26. Now it is started to heating. Now it will raise to the 106, and how much time it will taking it will show here, and moisture percentage live it will show here. So sample 112 after moisture, this is the moisture percentage. So if you want to weight conversion, this is drying how much, sample how much, and display conversion also we can take it, solid, weight and regain. And when you press save button, it will save the data. You go for back and you can see the latest record. The latest record means the previous latest which we have done earlier the sample, that will show here. It is 20 is the year, 12 month, 30 date is the time. So in the history record also you will have the data. Take out the sample, and to turn off the instrument, press off.